We have this expression in middle school called don't go 13. It's called don't go 13. 13 means when a kid goes, what? And I go, what? That's 13 right there. See, that was one of my most embarrassing 13 moments, right? I went 13 years old across the cafeteria table. Now I got like 4 kids in the cafeteria. We're leaving, and they said, hey, Mr. Curtis, you want some help? Now I looked around the cafeteria and I thought like picking up trash, because you know you get some brown noses and be like, oh, can we help you? No, I was like, I turned around and said, you know what, it looks pretty good. I think we're good. And then I took 2 steps and he goes, no, you want some help? Oh, I turned around, that's what I said. Oh, you gonna offer me some help, huh? Like today, like it looked like it went pretty well to me, right? And he shrugged his shoulder. He was kind of dragging his tray along as we walked. And he said, look, if you ask me, I think you're too busy disciplining us. You don't even know us. I turned around defensive if I could. What do you mean I don't know y'all, right? He said, Mr. Curtis, don't you live in Church Cibolo? They know where I live. He said, isn't that money? He said, isn't that your big truck out there? They know what I drive. The Glen describes the hoodest part of our neighborhood, right? And he said, you know where the Glen is? You been in the Glen? You should come hang out with us in the Glen, Mr. Curtis. In fact, bring that truck to the Glen, Mr. Curtis. He said, Mr. Curtis, when you gonna figure it out? You don't know nothing about us. You get in your truck every day and you drive back home. If you asking me, I get to know us before you discipline us. He threw his tray and walked off. And what I would tell you that day, I got humbled by a 13-year-old. And I stood there in the cafeteria all by myself. And it hit me. He's right. I came into this school knowing I was a hammer, and I just needed to be a bigger, badder hammer because I needed to support the adult plan.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you find out that we're speaking your language, you feel like we're your tribe, this is the perfect opportunity for you to reach out to us. National Educators for Restorative Practices. Our website, simple, RCL First, putting relationships back at the center of learning.